Now, taking a look at some court news out of Rockingham County, North Carolina, a man who had been convicted multiple times of driving while impaired will serve a lengthy prison sentence. That's after being convicted of second-degree murder and another driving while impaired charge. On Thursday, April the 6th, 37-year-old Santos Cruz Salmeron pleaded guilty in Rockingham County Superior Court to one count of second-degree murder and one count of driving while impaired. Rockingham County Superior Court Judge John Morris sentenced Cruz Salmeron to a minimum of 9 years to a maximum of 11 years and 10 months in the North Carolina Department of Adult Correction. Now, this is a case that goes back to April the 19th of 2021. Early that morning, Santos Cruz Salmeron was traveling north on US 220 when he entered the turning lane and attempted to turn left onto the Price Farm Road. That's in Stokesdale. Well, he pulled out in front of a tractor trailer traveling southbound on US 220, causing the tractor trailer to collide with the passenger area of the vehicle, and it killed Nelson Bonilla, who was a front seat passenger. The driver of the tractor trailer was not injured. When a trooper from the North Carolina State Highway Patrol arrived on the scene, he found Cruz Salmeron speaking with EMS personnel. The trooper smelled alcohol, the odor of alcohol, and Cruz Salmeron initially claimed that the driver of the vehicle ran in the woods. However, the trooper's investigation determined that Cruz Salmeron was the driver of that vehicle. He was charged with felony death by motor vehicle, driving while impaired, no operator's license, reckless driving, and failure to yield. A few days later, after meeting with the district attorney's office, the trooper also charged Cruz Salmeron with second-degree murder. Lab results showed that he had a .11 blood alcohol content, methamphetamine, and a metabolite of cocaine in his system. Cruz Salmeron had already been convicted of 3 prior DWIs. Those were in 2004, 2008, and 2011, and had failed to appear on 2 other DWIs that he received in Guilford County in 2015. The 2015 charges had not been resolved. Well, after his arrest, Cruz Salmeron posted a $500,000 bond and was then picked up by immigration and customs enforcement officials and ordered to be deported to El Salvador. One day before he was scheduled to be deported, the district attorney's office was able to determine that he was being detained at a facility in Louisiana. Rockingham County Judge Stan Allen issued a writ of habeas corpus to bring back Cruz Salmeron in order to face trial. So immigration's officials transported him to Georgia, and 2 Rockingham County deputies, Captains Gray Smith and Shane Bullins, transported Cruz Salmeron from Lumpkin, Georgia, back to Rockingham County, North Carolina. In the statement announcing the sentencing, District Attorney Jason Ramey says that after he's paid his debt to society, Cruz Salmeron will be deported to El Salvador. Now, you can read more about this story by going to our Star News TV Facebook page. You can find it at facebook.com/starnewstv.